Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is an old Hotpoint washing machine. It's a WM54. If it won't drain out or you want to check for something lost down in the sump, there isn't a normal filter thing on the front like other washing machines have. Instead, you've got to tip it over on its back or tip it over on its front and come in from the back panel. But if you come in from beneath, that's your drain pump, which pumps the water out the hose, and that's your sump there. So a clip here and a clip there will try and get it open. A pair of gloves are a good idea, because on these older machines they made everything out with razor blades. All those edges are extra sharp. There we go. We're into the money. I see a button. I see a 5p piece. I see a load of soapy water, which suggests it hasn't done a rinse out cycle. There's a basket in here. I don't think I need to open the other part. So there's your coin basket there. It is literally a coin basket in this case. Give that a bash out. There's a bit of scale and snot in there, but I'm not going to worry about that at all. Give that a clean, shake out, put that back in. Just clean that off with my finger to make sure there's no bits, and also to distribute a bit of water on it, because that'll help when it goes back together. So I'm going to put this on the top this time, this fellow. So I want to move this clip around this time so that I can get access to it with the pliers. So with that, offer it up, push it up as high as I can make it go. No, that's not right. A bit tricky, this one. It looks like it was on way up at the top before. I'm going to have to match that then. Better. It still wants to pop off. There's no lip or anything on it. It's a wonderful Great British design feature, I imagine. Okay, let's put it there. It seems okay. No coins can get any further down. I've lost 5p. I thought I had another one. I've got 55p so far. That'll do me. There's a bit of a screw. I swear there was 60p in there, but I'm not going to start swearing. 55p. Not too bad. So that job took me about 10 minutes. It's not so bad. It's easy enough to do. Ask me questions below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Become a member, or if this was helpful, help me out on PayPal or Patreon, or give me a super thanks through YouTube. That's probably the easiest for you. I think PayPal gives me the most money. Whatever suits you. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.